Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting an Incognito session. Do this now so your regular profile stays separate. Open Chrome and press Ctrl plus Shift plus N on Windows or Command plus Shift plus N on a Mac. Once the Incognito window appears, make sure you recognize the dark theme and message that cookies and history won't be saved. You can sign into services if needed, but understand why they behave differently. Extensions are off by default, and your browsing won't be added to local history. Now you're browsing privately. Open tabs and navigate as usual. Remember, every tab shares the same Incognito session until you close all Incognito windows. Make sure to download files or save bookmarks if you need them. Downloads remain on disk and bookmarks persist in your profile. Use site logins only when required, and note why. Cookies and site data exist temporarily and will be cleared when you end the session. If you need a fresh session, open a new Incognito window. To finish, close every Incognito window. That action removes session cookies and site data created during your visit. Make sure to check your Downloads folder if you saved files, because downloads are kept even after closing. If you signed into a site and want to sign out, do it before closing. Otherwise, the session ends anyway. If Incognito feels broken, pages still appearing in history or extensions acting up, update Chrome and clear the regular profile cache. Then try opening a fresh Incognito window.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.